Do you have photos or videos that you don't want others to see? Are you looking for a way to quickly and easily secure them on your iPhone? In this video, I will show you how to quickly and safely hide photos and videos on your iPhone. I'll cover step-by-step instructions on how to keep those files hidden from prying eyes. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn the easiest way to protect your photos or videos. To get started, open up the Photos app on your iPhone and then select a photo or a video that you want to hide. After that, tap on these three small dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then simply tap on Hide. Then tap the Hide Photo button. You can also hide videos by doing the same thing. Select the video that you want to hide, and then tap on these three small dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then select Hide. Then select Hide Video. So now that the photo and the video have been hidden, they are no longer visible to anyone. But if you want to view your hidden album, tap where it says Albums at the bottom right, and then scroll down to the bottom. Under the Utilities section, you'll see an option called Hidden. So go ahead and tap on that. And now it will use Face ID to unlock this so no one else can access it but you. And now you will be able to see all of the hidden photos and videos. You can tap on any one of these to view it, and if you want to unhide it, then tap on the three small dots at the top right corner of the screen and simply select Unhide. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.